Hello, welcome to the Web Presence Evaluation for the School Library of Saginaw Elementary in the Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD. In this video, we will be taking a close look at the elements of this library website that are maximizing the efficacy of the library for all users to gain access to information and learn to use it well. I will also be discussing what additional facets could be added to further ensure that the library website is operating at an optimal level for library users. This library website features the Symbaloo bookmarking tool with 23 links to interesting games, resources, and other activities. For example, Storyline Online, EBSCOhost, Britannica School, and Tumble Books. This element of the library website can assist with homework completion and enhance student learning and access to information 24/7. Also, a link to library events is available for students to access, as is a link to Pumpkin Storybook Contest. This link to library events can help students schedule projects and reports as they are due for certain events. Also, the Pumpkin Storybook Contest link, for example, can help students know when contest deadlines are so they can turn their submissions in on time. Although the library website enriches student learning in the previous ways discussed, students would additionally benefit from a link to photos of recent student work produced in library lessons and collaborative library projects, as well as photos and videos of special events featuring students. Having this link to photos of student work would increase positive esteem for students and healthy pride in their work and academic accomplishments as they are shared with others on the library website. Students would also benefit from links on Symbaloo to more diverse and advanced homework aids. The additional homework aids, such as Khan Academy, Scratch, and Alice, would allow students who want to learn and explore more advanced concepts the opportunity to challenge themselves. The librarian has selected a number of resources for teachers and placed them on Symbaloo bookmarking tool, such as Teaching Books. Teaching Books offers instruction tools for teachers, including literacy and standards connections and ready-to-use activities. Also, this library website offers a link to the library schedule for teachers to easily access if needed. The link to the library schedule could help teachers know when the librarian is available for collaboration, as well as aid in general scheduling input and decisions. A link to library events is available also for teachers to access, as is a link to Pumpkin Storybook Contest. The link to library events and contests such as this one is helpful for teachers if they want to access information about events or contests, or display the information and discuss it with students using a projected screen or interactive whiteboard during instruction time. Under the Policies and Procedures link, the library information and procedures for Saginaw Elementary is found, which contains the library mission, general information, library instruction information, and information for the faculty. The library information and procedures for Saginaw Elementary is helpful for teachers because it provides information about open circulation times, general library procedures such as checking out books, managing library cards, library rechecks, and information about library instruction, including guidelines for scheduling collaborative lessons with the librarian. Further, this section informs faculty of the procedures for checking out library multimedia equipment and requests for ordering or borrowing from another library any needed equipment. The teachers of the school are the intended audience of this section of the website. Teachers would further benefit from a link to current collection map and curriculum map with the embedded links to library items that enable teachers to reserve said items. This link would allow teachers to easily see what resources are available for each unit throughout the year so they can more readily incorporate resources to enrich student learning. The link to the library schedule is of course also available for administrators to access when needed. The link to the library schedule can help administrators plan observations or aid in general scheduling and input decisions. Administrators may also access the links on Symbaloo. Depending on the databases available, the Symbaloo link for EBSCOhost may help administrators stay current on educational leadership trends and research and serve as a source of material for cogent professional development sessions for staff. Administrators would additionally benefit from links to the district selection policy, request for reconsideration procedure, and the district's reconsideration request form. These links would allow administrators to easily access needed information, procedure guidelines, and the district's official form in case a community member challenges a library document. Also, the school's acceptable use policy could be available on the library website for administrators to access. The AUP on the library website would allow administrators to quickly access and refer to the document in the event of a discipline issue regarding non-compliance of the policy. The various key roles of the school librarian are evident throughout the Saginaw Elementary Library website. For example, the Policy and Procedures link on the library website informs teachers of key information for library use. This link demonstrates the librarian's leader role by communicating clear guidelines for the library's procedures in an authoritative and professional manner. Providing a library newsletter that is archived and updated would increase the emphasis of this role for the librarian at the school. The addition of a library newsletter would foster strong, continuous communication with all stakeholders, inviting dynamic dialogue and support from library users and community members. The librarian offers information on the Policies and Procedures link about collaboration opportunities with teachers in an effort to enrich student learning. To further emphasize the librarian's role as instructional partner on this library website, the librarian could also offer a schedule of additional times that she is available to collaborate, along with links to example collaborative lessons previously taught. This addition would more readily help teachers to know when to seek the library's expertise through collaboration. The sample lessons could serve as a template to help teachers learn about the value of collaboration with the librarian as they see the potential for lesson enrichment in the example lessons. The links provided on Symbaloo reveal evidence of the information specialist role. The librarian has carefully procured links on Symbaloo for her library website to assist stakeholders in performing a variety of specialized tasks. The links are innovative and give stakeholders the opportunity to explore current trends and tools in educational technology. The librarian could add links to instructional videos for helpful technology programs and tools for teachers to access while lesson planning. These links would demonstrate the anticipation of normal learning curves for faculty members mastering new technology programs and more thoroughly support their learning processes. The helpful links on Symbaloo are certainly a strength on this library website. They are varied enough to meet the needs for all stakeholder groups and increase access to information for all groups 24/7. The website would greatly benefit from the addition of the school's acceptable use policy. The AUP on the website ensures that all stakeholders are aware of the guidelines for learning to use technology in a safe and ethical manner. Thank you for joining me today for this close look at the Saginaw Elementary Library website. This analysis will prove invaluable to me in the future as I craft the website for my own future school library.